Hi there, good evening. And in this video, sagutin natin yung tanong about global section tsaka section templates. Okay, so bakit daw wala dito sa add elements? So ito yung pinapertain siguro niya. Global section tsaka section templates. And reason kung bakit wala talaga yan is kasi wala talaga yan. Okay, so paano siya magkakaroon ng laman? Well, you need to design it first or import mo muna yung template mo dito. And then after you add a section, you need to hover to that section and click save. And then you can name that section and save it as a global section or a template. Okay? So again, wala talaga yan in the first place. So you need to create those assets, yung template man yan or section. Malalaman mo if it is already saved if itong section is kapag naka-purple siya or violet. Ano bang kulay ito? Okay. So kasi 'di ba usually pag mag-add ka ng section, ito yung kulay niya. But there's no indication for the template because yeah, it's the same. But if I'll try to add, I already saved this one pala. So if I'll try to add one, so I'll just click plus and then section templates and add this one. And yeah, and dito na siya kasi sinave ko na siya kanina. Same is true with the global sections. So kapag inad ko yan, parehas naman na laman yan. So saan na yun? Ay, it's a section so you can't duplicate this one, I think. Pwede. Kaso yung global A existing na kasi. So hindi niya nadodoblein yun. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. I hope it answered your question. Wala talaga yan sa dyan. Kayo po magsasave niyan, kayo pong gagawa niyan. Okay, thank you so much.